Moikka! I am Mari from Taika Journals. Welcome to my channel. Spring is here, and that means that the spring and summer journal needs some more gratitude flowers. And today we will be using the jelly plate and then a couple of prayers and then some acrylic paints and stencils. I drew the gratitude flowers digitally yesterday and I printed them to these 160-gram copy papers, and I will be using these to make the prints. These are the bottom part of the flowers and these are the upper part. So when the print is ready, we need to cut the flowers according to the lines. And we will start with the bottom layer. But yes, I think we will start the jelly plate fun and this will be so exciting. Here are the stencils that I will be using today. And I will be using some rounded makeup sponges for this one. Now this is dry, and next let's add some colors to the background. And now I will let this dry and then let's pull off the print. Now this is dry and I waited about 10 minutes, and next I will put some white acrylic paint here. Now let's put the paper onto the plate and then give it a nice rub. And now I will let this dry for about 20 minutes and then let's pull the print. Yes, I wanted this to be colorful, and this surely is colorful. And I like it. But a little whoopsie happened. I realized when I put the paper to the plate that, oh my gosh, this is the wrong, wrong paper. I was supposed to use this. So this would have been like here on the background. So it should have been like this. But no worries, I will print this to the other side of this if I can. But this is the bottom part, and next we will hopefully use the right paper this time. And let's do the little flowers with the jelly print. Our prints are ready. Let's make the flowers. I managed to print the line drawing to the other side of the paper, even though this is a bit ripped. The printer smudged a little, but it doesn't matter. And if you want to see more jelly printing fun, I just posted a jelly print video to Taika Journal's Patreon. I will leave the link to the description box if you want to go and check out more of this jelly printing fun. Now let's start the cutting. Yes, I think this is now enough. And then let's find the soulmates. And here they are. And now I think I want to put some ink to the edges. And now let's attach the little flowers. In the previous gratitude flower making video, I made those circles for the center of the flowers and I used glue to glue the whole thing together. But today I want to use these brats. I will punch a hole with a craft pick to the middle. Like so. And then I will just push this through the whole thing. Isn't it pretty? Let's use a different one for this. Some bling. Let's see how this goes here. This looks like a fairy tale flower. Actually, let's put this in the fairy tale book. It's like the same vibe. I made this fairy tale journal on Taika Channel's Patreon. I think this goes very well with this journal. The idea with these flowers is to bring some positive energy into your life. So when you are journaling, you can write words, things that you are grateful for at that specific moment. And then you pop it into your journal and it brings that lovely energy into your day, and there is so much to be grateful for in everyday life. This was so much fun, and this gratitude flower package is now for sale on my Etsy shop as a digital download. So in the pack there is the both jelly plate prints and then the bigger flowers and the smaller flowers that you can build these flowers yourself. But I have to say that it is impossible for the printer to print these fluorescent, really bright colors. So the brightest colors are a little bit toned down. But the patterns are there and they are a little bit different prints, but still the same vibe is here. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you also to the creative community over at Taika Patreon. I am sending you lots of joy bubbles to your day. Moi moi!